Okay, playing your chill playlist.
I'm Maya. We build smart homes that connect families. Welcome to Google Nest Factory. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Breaking news. Tech giant acquires smart thermostat innovator for $3.2 billion.
Hey there, testing 1, 2, 3.
With Thread, these Nest devices can talk cycler,
Nested Nets.
creative event table, low power.
From freezing lows of minus 20 Celsius to scorching highs of 50 degrees, each Nest thermostat is rigorously tested.
Okay, Google, what's the weather like today?
¿Cuál es el pronóstico del tiempo para Barcelona?
Bây giờ có thể làm bạn đấy thì những cái món online để nhận được mấy cái nốt từ đào bệnh mấy mà tại đem thuê xong trên em không có đôi thuê nhé.
At Nest, we test our products for years of use in just a matter of days. Dials are rotated millions of times. Buttons are pressed endlessly. The team used laser vibrometry to precisely measure how the enclosure vibrates. Hey Google, I'm leaving. Hey Google, show me the front door on the TV.
The wiring in most of these old houses can't handle the new tech.
So that's why we're seeing so many returns.
This is a huge problem.
We're designing the Nest Power Connector.
It's a small adapter to make the C-wire unnecessary for smart thermostats.
It's completely burned out again.
Look at this power spike. That can't be right.
We've got the algorithm fine-tuned for intelligent power management.
Excellent. Let's see it detect transformer capacity.
collecting millions of footage samples, labeling actual people versus false triggers, retraining neural networks, months of machine learning refinement. Customers are receiving only meaningful notifications. Trust restored through engineering persistence.
Ugh, not again. I just don't get it. The simulations are all green.
I think this firmware version is causing the compatibility issue with the new Nest devices.
Let's isolate it and run diagnostics.
Display longevity mode activated.
We believe you should know what data your Nest devices collect and how it's used. Our clear dashboards show you exactly that. You're in control.
One deployed from CD. Initiated Scorpion individually, and a Disney's content set up some appliance. Together with Snails really tended about
Every Nest device passing through comprehensive testing gauntlet. Wi-Fi performance verified. Voice recognition tested. Camera focus confirmed.
With Nest, I finally feel like my home and family are truly safe. It's more than just a camera, it's peace of mind.
Okay, Google, dim the living room lights.
Over transcription. Thousands of developers creating apps and integrations for Nest devices. Smart home automation routines. So if we integrate it here, the AI can track movement better.
But what about the privacy implications of that placement?
So this is where the design meets reality.
Fascinating to see the constraints firsthand.
Hey, Google.
I understand your frustration.
We need to make this simpler.
So the new EU AI Act will require recertification for all our voice-activated devices in Europe.
And
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Okay, I see the issue. Try resetting the primary input sensor. Guide me through the control panel.
all right, accessing it now. The red light is still blinking.
Overall, the navigation is intuitive, but the focus indicators could be more distinct for low vision users.
Chaijok.
Here is some for a project.
So, my proposal focuses on optimizing the data processing pipeline by introducing a more efficient algorithm.
My grandmother now controls her whole home with her voice. Temperature, lights, music, security, all.
Next, Amazon Echo's Alexa secrets revealed. Then, Apple HomePod's acoustic engineering magic. After that, Ring's doorbell empire story. Subscribe and hit the bell icon.